I see a feast set upon the earth, golden chalices and silver thrones. The rulers drink deeply, yet their thirst grows greater still. Tell me, wanderer, what cup can quench a fire that burns from within?
They buried these words beneath the sand and called them heresy, for they feared what they could not chain. The kingdom is not in the sky, nor in the temple, nor in the coins that jingle in the priest's hand. It lives here, waiting to be remembered.
Behold Rex Mundi, king of the world, who builds palaces on the backs of the poor. He weaves lies like silk, whispering, "Give me your faith, your children, your tomorrow." He offers crowns of gold and thrones of stone, but his kingdom crumbles like ash in the hand. A merchant of words creeps through Parliament's halls. He says, "Health for all!" Yet his hand counts coins, not heartbeats. His name, Farage. Across the ocean, a trumpeting voice proclaims protection, yet leaves the broken trembling without a cure. His name you already know.
The Sitchin that the children were told, "You are not who you are." They were given tablets, not to heal, but to bind. And this is the oldest trick of the shadow. Divide the soul and the body will follow. I have seen kings with jewels in their crowns and merchants with pockets heavy as stone. Yet they are hungrier than the beggar on the street. Bread feeds the belly, truth alone feeds the spirit.
The rich man drinks from a silver cup yet wakes thirsty in the night. The poor man drinks rain from his hand and sleeps in peace. Which man is truly rich?
The kingdom cannot be bought or sold. It cannot be taken by Rex Mundi or given by any law.
Embrace the warrior and the healer within. Hold your masculine and feminine as one, and no demon can take seat in your house. The world may hunger for tomorrow, but the soul feasts on truth today. Rise, remember, be whole.